good with y'all, baby? Hey, I'm not even gonna lie. You guys been showing a lot of love on my Daft Punk reaction, and I do appreciate it. You know the crazy thing about Daft Punk, what I just found out? I thought these dudes is from America. They're from France. They're from France. I didn't even know that, bro. That's a random thought, but I didn't even know that. That's dope, though. So, we got a song named Defunct, man. Hope you guys enjoyed this, man. Like, subscribe if y'all know. Let's get it. It's your boy Ahmad. They gotta be in New York.
You'll be okay. Things break, they heal.
Yeah, my doctor said it's a clean break, which is good.
My kid, he busted up his ankle a while back. A couple of months in a cast, like new, like nothing happened. Just take it easy, you know? No hula hooping or nothing.
Is that a dog?
Okay, thanks, Benny.
Look,
Or he must put a dog mascot on or outfit. They roasting him.
Yo, that's a good song.
Oh, thanks.
Your brother.
And that's another question I want to ask. My bad for pausing. All the pictures I seen of Daft Punk lately, or really when I found out about their group, all I seen of them was in masks, bro. Do they walk around with that mask when they go to public places? Do they still wear that mask? Has anybody seen them without the mask on? That's a random question I gotta ask, but I need an answer. Cause I love when artists do that. They literally wear a mask everywhere that they go.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, sir. Do you have a few minutes to answer a few questions for our survey?
I hate this type
sure.
of people.
Great. Now, you live in this neighborhood?
Interrupt you.
Yes, for about a month.
I'm sorry to have wasted your time, sir. We can only survey permanent residents.
Oh, but I'm staying. It is permanent.
I'm sure, but a month is not long enough for this particular survey. Excuse me, ma'am?
Ooh, I hate them type of people, bro. Just be interrupting you while you walking, probably walking with a shorty or your friend. They just interrupt. Hey, sir, can I ask you a couple surveys? Man, come on, bro. I hate them type of people. Real shit. Killed the whole vibe.
Hey, how's it going?
He's really wearing that everywhere. That's crazy.
The extraterrestrial alien intelligence is just too much for the dark government. They gotta leave the planet.
Excuse me, how much?
$2.
He brings the alien back with us, and then everyone's heads are exploding all over the place. Look, those that have their brains on
Hey, excuse me.
Yeah.
Turn that thing down, please.
Oh, he playing in the back. Okay.
I can't.
Wow, man, I'm gonna have to ask you to leave.
He got a whole boombox with him.
Okay. I just want to buy this book.
Great. So anyway.
So he's playing the music. Okay. That's why he told them to turn it down. I wonder what you're trying to get.
Beatrice, hi.
Oh, hey. How you
She don't
doing?
know who
Good.
he. She don't know who he is.
Except for my leg.
Oh, God, that looks like it hurt. Hope it gets better soon.
Oh, it will. Just no hula hooping for a while.
Hula hooping.
I'm Charles. I grew up next door to you.
Oh, God!
I thought she was gonna slap him. I ain't gonna lie.
That's so tall.
Well, you know.
Jeez Louise, look at you. Wow. Are you living here now?
Yeah, you know, big city nights.
Oh, that's great. You know, I haven't seen anybody from home in forever. This is so weird. What, do you live around this area?
Yeah, I just moved in.
Oh, that's great. This is my favorite neighborhood. You get the park right there. I still live downtown, but I want to. Mikey was
So he must have grew up with that like that dog face on his whole life for him to recognize, like, hey, my name's Charles. He must have been wearing that since he was a kid for her to recognize him. That's
so
crazy.
sick. You don't even know. Hey, have you eaten anything yet?
No, not really.
Well, I'm gonna go downtown. You wanna come with? We'll make some dinner or something?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
I like this beat. Already, damn. That's tough. Wow. You could have just turned the radio off. I would have turned it off. If it really messed with that girl, I would have turned the radio off, hop on the bus. That's tough. He probably will never see her again. I like this song. He whistling it. This is like watching a movie. Dope song. Dope song. I probably gotta listen to, y'all probably want me to listen to like the studio version, because when this is playing, this song was like playing in the background, like it was like muffled out in the background while everything else is going on in the music video. So y'all probably catch that next if y'all want me to. But anyways, if you guys have more Daft Punk songs you want me to react to, man, let me know in the comments. Hope you guys enjoyed this, man. Like, subscribe if y'all new. Peace and love to y'all. I'm out.